Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, attention is turned to a crucial accessory for any owner of the Pyle Pro PTED06 7-pad electronic drum machine, a reliable USB cable. This particular offering, a 6-foot USB data sync cord, is presented as a brand new, high-quality replacement, specifically designed to ensure seamless connectivity for the drum machine. It is important to note that while it is a non-OEM product, its quality is emphasized, suggesting it provides a robust alternative to original equipment. The cable itself features the widely recognized USB 2.0 type A male to Type B male connectors. This configuration is standard for many peripheral devices, including electronic instruments, ensuring a straightforward and secure connection for both data synchronization and power delivery. The 6-foot length is a practical consideration, offering ample reach for various studio setups or live performance environments, allowing the drum machine to be positioned comfortably without being tethered too closely to a computer or power source. Its black color ensures it blends discreetly with most equipment. One of the most compelling aspects highlighted for this DTKXNDB cable is its commitment to safety. The product is manufactured with the highest quality materials, and it incorporates multiple smart features designed to safeguard connected devices. These include protection against incorrect voltage, short circuits, and internal overheating, which are critical concerns for any electronic equipment. Furthermore, the materials used are described as high-temperature resistant, flame retardant, and fire resistant, collectively providing ultimate protection for the Pyle Pro PTED06. This focus on safety offers significant peace of mind to users, knowing their valuable equipment is protected during use. Its design also prioritizes portability. The small size and lightweight nature of the cable make it exceptionally easy to carry outside, fitting effortlessly into a gig bag or equipment case. This ensures that musicians can maintain high-quality performance and connectivity whether they are at home, in the studio, or on the road. The ease of use and high-quality performance are consistently emphasized, making it a practical choice for active musicians. As a final reminder, potential buyers are advised to double-check the model of their device before purchasing to ensure perfect compatibility. This cable aims to be a dependable link, keeping the Pyle Pro PTED06 powered and perfectly in sync.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.